I'm going to tell you about me and my creative process. But first, coffee. My name's Angie, and here is my studio space. It's in a little corner of my bedroom. I like to do watercolors, and in order to paint or be creative, I have to keep my space clean. In order to feel confident enough to paint, I have to have a clear head, which it helps to have a clear space to do that in. I love art, but when I started, I was quite insecure about what I was doing. I've now returned to school to get better. Vincent van Gogh once said, "If you hear a voice within you say, you cannot paint, then by all means, paint, and that voice will be silenced." Look at this view. This light is great for painting. This is my basil plant. I'm going to paint a watercolor study of it. I like to warm up by doing some sketches of my subject. I do some warm up with paints too. It helps get me going. I love the way watercolor looks. It's a beautiful medium. The way it flows and takes on a mind of its own. It feels like the most natural way to paint. To get started, I tape down the watercolor paper so that it curls less when it gets wet. Once everything is clean and ready, I begin. Whenever I draw, I struggle with thoughts of, is this going to be good enough? I'm not quite sure why. I'm proud of where I'm at, so I don't know what it is that scares me, you know? Walt Disney said, "All our dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them." So, day by day, I work on that courage. Sometimes when I'm painting, I'll turn on some music. Other times I listen to a podcast. And there are times when I just like it quiet. The sounds around me have an impact on me too, just like the space I work in. I love art even more now. Having drawing and painting and design classes has given me confidence and credentials. I will draw or paint when I'm on vacation or pretty much anywhere. Here is my finished piece. I'm happy with it. I have more confidence to say I'm a painter. It's easier to quiet that negative voice. I'm proud of my work and I like where I'm at. Thanks for listening.